Today we're gonna learn how I did my channel art, which looks straight to the point, exactly what my channel do, and give the people advices what they need to know, what kind of creator I am. Yes, because it's straight to the point. If you look at it, non-stop growth, that's exactly what I'm making for your channel. Knowledge is my gift to you. That's what I'm doing. So here we go. Listen to this video till the end, watch it, and you will do exactly the same for your channel. Let's create one, which is definitely from the scratch and works perfectly, and give you advice and knowledge how to create your. Okay, so let's jump into a program called CANVA. Link in the description below, so it's free to download and free to use. We're gonna create a YouTube channel art. We can do it actually just from the scratch, completely taking the blank one, and you will see how easy it is to create and find something what would you really want. If you go in the templates, you can see all the different which one you look for. So if you're looking for travel, just write travel YouTube channel art, and it's gonna give you a lot of choices which you can use for. If you want photo, just write photo YouTube channel art, and it will give you a lot of things which you can use. So we can create onto this one, because I love that, you know, square thing, which is exactly match in the YouTube mini devices. So you don't need to go over of this one, but it could be exactly perfect size to start with. So if we write YouTube creator, that could be your channel name. We can change here what we want to change. My sub headline. Here is give you nice square thing which we can add it something like, what do I want? If I want about the growth, I might will use the growth. If I want to use something frames or grids or anything which we like to see, we can change it. I would love to change the background to a bit different one, which I might will gonna use something like this, and why not? Just take it like that. So now we got my background. If I want like this, I will definitely want something like that on my channel, because it clearly shows our mission that we are definitely growing. Well, actually we can take that one. This one looks, yeah, straight to the point, you see. Okay, and also I really want to change this, because the girl is fantastic, but I want to see. So if I will take you out, and instead of that I'm gonna put inside I'm gonna put you inside, because YouTube creator wants to growing my channel. Also want to add it on the top some text, because we got a space, so we can use it. Because you see in laptop or in TV, everybody gonna see, sorry, just in probably on TV, because laptop got to be a big, they will gonna see all our channel art. In the desktops, they're gonna see all this big square. So here we can write non-stop growth. So let's add it. Of course, change the color, because you can change any type of color as well. And we can make a bit bigger. So here we go. Now we got our channel, which we love to see. Simple, easy and straight to the point. That's what I will do. So you can choose any type of template, any type of elements which you got, from photos, videos, graphic, line and shapes, and so on and so on. You can, don't even think, just write something what you want to see and we'll give you a lot of examples. And once you're done, just click download. And this channel art is already yours to use. If we're going into, that's it, we already got it. So if you go in your YouTube Studio, channel customization, which is just here, scroll, go into branding and then scroll down a bit, you see the banner image. Click change, or if you don't have one, just add a new one. And in your downloads, you will see what we just created. And as I said before, you see on TV, you will see the full channel. On desktop, you only see all this. In all small devices, you will see just in the middle, that's everything within the square. Simple as that. And once you're done, click done. And this is how you make your own. And also, don't forget to check the videos here and there if you want to know how to create subscribe button or how to add some beautiful tags and keywords. And I'm gonna see you in one of those videos shortly.